First reading, Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 1, 4-10. The words of Jeremiah the son of Helshias, of the priests that were in Anathoth, in the land of Benjamin. And the word of the Lord came to me, saying, Before I formed thee in the bowels of thy mother, I knew thee, and before thou camest forth out of the womb, I sanctified thee, and made thee a prophet unto the nations. And I said, Lord God, behold, I cannot speak, for I am a child. And the Lord said to me, Say not, I am a child, for thou shalt go to all that I shall send thee, and whatsoever I shall command thee, thou shalt speak. Be not afraid at their presence, for I am with thee to deliver thee, saith the Lord. And the Lord put forth his hand, and touched my mouth, and the Lord said to me, Behold, I have given my words in thy mouth. Lo, I have set thee this day over the nations, and over the kingdoms, to root up, and pull down, and to waste, and to destroy, and to build, and to plant. Psalms chapter 71 verse 1-6, 15, and 17. A psalm for David, of the sons of Jonadab, and the former captives. In thee, O Lord, I have hoped, let me never be put to confusion. Deliver me in thy justice, and rescue me. Incline thy ear unto me, and save me. Be thou unto me a God, a protector, and a place of strength, that thou mayst make me safe. For thou art my firmament and my refuge. Deliver me, O my God, out of the hand of the sinner, and out of the hand of the transgressor of the law and of the unjust. For thou art my patience, O Lord, my hope, O Lord, from my youth. By thee have I been confirmed from the womb, from my mother's womb thou art my protector. Of thee shall I continually sing. My mouth shall shew forth thy justice, thy salvation all the day long. Because I have not known learning. Thou hast taught me, O God, from my youth until now I will declare thy wonderful works. Gospel, John 20 verse 1-2, 11-18. And on the first day of the week, Mary Magdalene cometh early, when it was yet dark, unto the sepulchre, and she saw the stone taken away from the sepulchre. She ran, therefore, and cometh to Simon Peter, and to the other disciple whom Jesus loved, and saith to them, They have taken away the Lord out of the sepulchre, and we know not where they have laid him. But Mary stood at the sepulchre without, weeping. Now as she was weeping, she stooped down, and looked into the sepulchre. And she saw two angels in white, sitting, one at the head, and one at the feet, where the body of Jesus had been laid. They say to her, Woman, why weepest thou? She saith to them, Because they have taken away my Lord, and I know not where they have laid him. When she had thus said, she turned herself back, and saw Jesus standing, and she knew not that it was Jesus. Jesus saith to her, Woman, why weepest thou? Whom seekest thou? She, thinking it was the gardener, saith to him, Sir, if thou hast taken him hence, tell me where thou hast laid him, and I will take him away. Jesus saith to her, Mary. She turning, saith to him, Rabboni, which is to say, Master. Jesus saith to her, Do not touch me, for I am not yet ascended to my Father. But go to my brethren, and say to them, I ascend to my Father and to your Father, to my God and your God. Mary Magdalene cometh, and telleth the disciples, I have seen the Lord, and these things he said to me.